I fold my heart like a letter I'll never send. Read it alone, then I start again. I rehearse love in a silent room, but freeze when it's real and you step too soon. I've been living in a place between yes and no. Every dream feels close, but I move too slow. If I reach for you, will the truth show through? Or will I ruin the best thing